Mema obi biara akwaba eba African History and Heritage TV. So oba de na adom ye de ne awose ye danase o. Na se ne mema biara musinim no. African History and Heritage TV de adesian ko a na ye babesua. Na nde ye babesua de afa eye bono champion. Wa hwehemu se woni ma de ye fra no bono champion wate dana. Se nde ne da edikan a wote bono champion a for so fam o ha se ye babesua ade. The santi atu yansa afre eye panyin okokudam a wakodere wo nimdie mu ye. Tuturo dodo na yenim no Mr. Agyemang the historian. Mr. Agyemang. Na abom to say
Alhamdulillah.
Abusafo ina
Allah do. Bia ho ye.
Da yanko passe.
Sa.
And then sani mekobo no.
Sa.
Juwaje na kama.
Oh, kama pa.
Wow, I see.
What mas yo? Wonya kwanya ma.
Mantima baba me hwe bibia wa be from fidie so.
Okay. Kama pa. The organizers no yina ase ene chairman Atibu Manhene. Ono so organizing ni yi pa.
I see.
Osaje for nso display of how enya agro.
Eni pa dom no so de na so ani
enya agro kra enya agro.
Abisa Agyemang obo ade enda che de mehwe dwumade no aba for fidie so. Na enim se mekobo no but mun kita ho de dwumade no. Na kasadom no bono champion. To me pese yanda score bono champion. Eni masem bisa edikan. Se bono champion na edi akotene wo mekobo no. Dom na bebre enim bono champion no. Na yakasa bono champion na eno ede ade.
Yo me do asinam da T4 so ase. Bono champion council.
Okay.
And now say Bono Champion Federation. Nananom ahemfo kuo bi a ete no 1951. The no enenam so a yenya Bono Ahafo region. Na me kan say ne farbai ne say oh breno a Britain for a defeat Asante was a great war 1874 no. Britain for no established Bahini a free 1900 econo the final defeat of Asante and a friend Yasantua war. Abeche Prempe the first and then not Trankumia Binum Eco Sichez. I just said Britain for no I established full colonialism. Go Coast. Entino beche o man Ghana emyensa. Ifri River Prano eko ase hono coast hono. Amanamana ewo hono. Biti se kwawu achem akwamu gas state fantastic sekri dentira wasa awumi enesa amanamana ewo a hunter no. Hono Britain for declared as a honor the first colony, the colony proper.
Okay.
And now a name Primpri Ashanti region. And the former Bono Ahafo region. And also Bekambu Nabeto say a honor crown colony of Ashanti. And now a free black voter echo the former northern regions, the three northern regions, be declared as a northern territories or northern protectorate, because be protected from because the French were closing in from Burkina Faso, and the Germans were also closing in from the east, Togo. The signed treaties with Ahemfo the Guma Fone, Gunjawala, all tribal kingdoms there to prevent the French from entering. In Tijuana, we describe it as a northern territories and now northern protectorates. So ne bede battalion, 1 battalion of West African Frontier Force, Gold Coast Regiment. Bede army bi by near friend West African Frontier Force, Gold Coast Regiment. Na yewo Nigerian Regiment. Be 4 colonies na West Africa ubia won a regiment. Iti 1 battalion Tamale. Eneka bona hafone Asante region. Na be describe where no so say Crown Colony of Ashanti. Sa di no be ne be de to area ho. Say had ye be friend the Crown Colony of Ashanti. Native me cover Asana say but defeat Asante no. And for them to feel proud. Say a defeat Asante no and see Jamane no kakra bi o na ye ka say honon ya Asante. Di be describe what say Crown Colony of Ashanti. So the 3 names no yeah, the colony, Crown Colony of Ashanti, and then the Northern Protectorates. Now the Crown Colony of Ashanti no, but the young bona hafo eko kan. Okay. Now every 1901 up to 1935 no, they signed treaties with the chiefs. Now there was Crown Colony of Ashanti no. All the chiefs, Britain for signed treaties with them. Say treaty of protection, friendship, protection, and trade. Asante ne ya guno ya mobia independence bia nkotrane ba. Enti Kumasi nankasa be signed treaty with Kumasi chief. Mampon Jabembe kwa kukufu nsuta kumawu adansi offense ejuso aguna nomina the signed treaties with them. So bia yegu Asante no ni obiu. Ena ye had the former Bono half region no. They signed treaties with Wampon one your friend Doma Bana Techima Nkransa ahafo na kukum na oye ahafo fo no nyina manyene. They signed treaty no wa country so won oye head chief no na friend paramount chief no. Ena wonchi atebu drobo abase any brekum. Now we signed treaties with all those chiefs. Now we declare almost say more paramount chiefs. So we friend head chief. Or head chief no yede mawa ni ya mo kwan ma what court. Now what be treasury. Ni obegigi skadiatum nti ye mo hene no kwan on na trankunya no na friend native authority. This are local government na shebenza. Mamo jeje o hene no jeje sika na or the move 30% akoma DC no na 70 no ono e de abo ni nkuru no a be hye na se no ebra what I say because na Britain for no pese be buka this hye no na be under the indirect rule system na no ma be dia ahemfo binom ko hye ahemfo binom as because eya na be pese nkuru no se kan na population no e no so te se ne nti eya na be pese nkuru no kabom na ohene no nya population no so a e na obi o tax no obi nya dodo what I say enti no ye ha sei be di sunyane domasi mienu fie prenom ne ni nkura ebe no domasuya nom ne ne keka ho nyina eni nsuya tre ekɔhye brikum hena ase a na brikum hena tenase a bene be ye na trankunya what I say sa na be administration over bia ye jama isi be de sekwa nsoko eni suma hinkru edwinimu atuna nyame bodanom ne ade pia safo no nyina ekɔhye drobo hena ase enti drobo hene na otrasia safo no ena na beye na trankunya anana he a ojije to na odi yemputuma ewu nkuru no a ehye ono drobo hene ana ono breku hene no ase no sana omoye na brino kwanimu no from 1901 up to 1935 ne san hyehyɛ no course
okay
na bɛde sante hene course shares no ne nti abɛno no kɔ yɛ ne sɛ bɛkye na kosie na one organize the asantefoɔ no mabanko because abre no na Britain for no a discover Obuasi gold mines one of the British biggest investment in West Africa. The center there so now from Guinea asantefoɔ no ko kukufu akɔtake bekwai fonzo twitu abɛkɔ dwaben akonwa no kra no na akonwasie na yasem kumanse akonwasie no twirebo anase ope kofi kakari nso opa akonwa no bio na obi aso wɔ ne fashion nti ekoba sa na omzo wane yenche prepare the first any group no a be support no ma ne rising no yasanto rising ne enko for be see na bantna ha anye didi betino boy no still I did na asantefo no ye no center ho no banyai and the crowd feel the crowd na jigon
wow
na betna sese ne yemfa no mra bio ibia asantefo no hu se be hina ba be jai didi na be and I very prepare the first by 1924 the 24 years she says 1924 1933 and uye and the uye na prepare the second I friend Kwame Chirikwie ono obedi akunya and no obedi akunya no and na brofo no ye say Sebeya bibinya asomdwe ewo the crown colony of Ashanti no because eno ne colony no akoto mfimfini abrofo no so ehia sebe fa Asante man no ansa na batuma akono
okay
no so moti Asante ho moko iti sebeya babia be declare say hono ye the crown colony of Ashanti no asomdwe be ba hono be yes ene be boaboa hemfo no nyina be wo sa colony no the crown colony of Ashanti na be nyina bakudi Asante hene nachi what you say because they were still using the indirect rule system the chiefs enti abrofo no ka kire kwa Chirikwie say ye pese asomdwe ba enti ye be boaboa amanama no na ye de ba be hye wase biu na wa control be amaye ena kwa Chirikwie say na Asante na gu bampontene ba bi kokofu hwa obi atene ba bi amso okay etisa de a yemfa man hene no so ba me ya bobo be man hene no beni na yemisa bisa ba bebe join bebe ba abeka saku no ho nkambum ahemfo nkambum ku a efrene Asante Confederation no ye ba beka ho announce at my council enti beko rounds bibisai ye bono na hafo ha no ahemfo mienu na gitum se bebeko eye nwanti ne bana bere gitum se bebeko ena Ashanti region ensusu no apart from ejuso e kan se onko Asante Confederation onko tutia so onko ena kumawu nso etutia se onko Asante Confederation inti Asante region e wo hosisi no 2 the kan se onko Confederation ena ye ha apart from bana ene wanchino baba kanbre beko eye wampon mu doma aye friend doma I have apart from bana ene wanchino baba kan be kan se benko
okay
techman wampon mu ene atibu Jama ya drobu dia limu abase brekum animo ubia so onko Ashanti Confederacy ne ko ba sa na abrofo no suru se na ha so hafo no majority se be nko Confederacy no dia be nyina be meka kuo no ho dia ene ade no be yedin nti ya say ye rounds na ye try to convince them enti be fa hemfo no nyina sa hemfo yi do manom ne ade aba be kan se be nko no e ka kire be so mo me mo nko join anya sa amamu no be yedin amaye because ye ntimi nchiche country no peace nti mo nko ka ho na eye for colonial administrative convenience enti obia ka etwere ko se so be ka ho dia conditional odi ama santehini o ma santehini emfa na no ntoto na na fisem anani nkunwase mu ibi mamponkura atwere ko sa na tebu nko an ka say no broni wa ba the must sign agreement treaty of friendship protection and trade den na de nipa na wo so wo bom ho ban atia no o ka tem say still a me no enko tiku ba ko na ono nko dimani ene ya me nko be kaka tebu hene no odo onko ntia tebu anko bi ne ba ba ka no be ko no na ye Ashanti Confederacy to the second Ashanti Confederacy ne be ko tina etina ahemfo no betnasia sante hene na ye be boss udibanim te sen ne Asante my council Asante hene ene udibanim sana those days net here na eguso abeko no na nanom trese asisi kobam
okay
Asante Confederacy no asisi ebam enti B7 Kubiu. That was 1951. Techimai ND kan tiepia sonko. That was 1948. Sonko Asante Confederacy. Ojai. O trelete ko se ojai. Na doma so support so no so onkubiu. Abase na tese drobo so supported baba ka be a support say the Asante Confederacy no why dem jai ne bi o be bisam say ye den na be jai
man ka be bisam
very good reasons na dey na do so pa na brenuntino me body tofa
okay
the reason number 1 na ha no the former bono ahafo no na in developing because by Giskano Sabra Confederation is ye din krobino mo bono ha ko share Kumasi traditional council as Sabra near friend native authority after independence no and call state council what I say 1951 kono local government rearrangement no ne omoto ne state council enti sunyan ha ne domasi fia prinom ne ensua trenom ye de ko shapes santihnase ama eye sub division of Kumasi main division ye di suma kwachoma ye ho eko share Kumasi main division nase ene ada nkurubino mo Ashanti region enti wa wo she santihene Kumasi native authority aseno direct no usika na obeje no ha no esese ode 1/3 ekoto santihene ne treasury
wow
I rewose mu na ono de ye development e woni krom ho
mela bimba ha
ebra bi ma ha
okay
na ne ebedi ska na ye ho kra uni e na wo ne ya no na wo bisa nti ya digito no ye se cost antene ne treasury ti ayen fo no hum se ye hai no ya gigi sky dia koma ya so hai ye develop secondary school bi ani ha Domafo na yes BBC secondary school somewhere in 1948. Hospital baako pɛ na colonial administration no I established was in 1927. Schools, elementary schools, some schools were hanging Christian missionaries no nurses. It's not there, I deal with there. Sabro said, BBC done masonry, carpentry, a fina, ye jump up a dino, a BBC sad, and it say Africans no, and now Ghana for no, business answer to man. Our brother build one trade school, now my friend trade school, and now my friend said technical school. It was Asante Mampo. Now why we feel hakwa Asante region. Enti so o pese o basuyan sa ne duma o trade school. We san 7 and no pese o trade school. Now they now call further advanced e wa Accra. This appearance no mu ska. Enti na e maha for mano. This excafoma be papa no do kokuru bitim sponsor. And a traditional councils binum so anabe woska to say doma native authorities you know. Na be so bitim e bobo ska na be sponsor kola no. Dina tese e yadia na emu ye pa. Enti na nanom so esa hu se kane tete Asante niswo ya broni uba ya obeje ye obekunti Asante na Asante bubu ya yenya ye independence eno na broni wa fafrakadam kwan bi so Asante ya koshim in a very polished way bia yenhu enti kosi broni adi hwamo eno so na one of the grievances. And now, Besan Kote Asante Scholarship Fund. Scholarship Fund, they say, very ma ben kwada anaba ko school, secondary school, nomne university, no more bruchile nomne ade. Bono fo ahemfui amahini na bia ba twa bona mo bia utwa scholarship fund no triato Asante Hene treasury.
Okay.
Na ma interview but to say edu time aye che no na ba bi hwamo. Bono ahafo ha bono fo no em say Dr. K.A. Buzia ene munufie ben ko ana em se bi nya scholarship ne at scholarship no na echo Asante fo no. Not as a colonial exploitation, no, and nanum bedasutin. Now, there are quite a cry, they come by the cry, minia. And Asante Hene Court A. Asante Hene no, not on a court. Mine Hene be on a court, right? Breku mine Hene on a court, Doma mine Hene on a court, and not your friend in native court. Amutim didi nsem udi asem no native court ho se anye ya now the ko appeal bia Asante Hene Court A and also anye ya further appeal to the Chief Commissioner's Court. Chief Commissioner no ye broni a ote Kumase ho se na ye be friend say regional minister so and abechiche colony Crown Colony of Ashanti Numti districts. I have seen now in Sudan district. Yeah, the district back also called so. So ordinary general. Very good. 80 selective authority. Member say bia domahini di asem or domahin group. Or was on cover no dinner say. Uvi say one can year. Utim de court, Asante Hene Court E. Oh, appeal.
What's a codino?
No, what's a codino? I also want to say, one to one say, this was a court, Chief Commissioner's Court, Chief Commissioner of Ashanti, or also on the court. Now the FSS Sabre, now you perform Nico, Kumasu Kai said, and Nicosa. Now better be was Semha, so de ko Kumasi. Now the neck cananum actually crown say, ne sisi frakadam ya o kwasa achiame sika bebejo babi obeda hotel obekọ akodam ne sika bebejo enom ne ade no minia fanifo no asa brand be ba ni hu ye de be kan okra obeti nsu so this atete no ina ena na nanu form na be kan say no now tete my dear na oya agreed from 1901 up to 1935 no nkuro bia na ye tete my hene ni nkuro te say tanobo ase boyam ne tanoso ele fuma ye friend say two bodom no na be tete my hene no ye ko confidence no be fa frakadam kwani bi so e masa nkuru no nyina beje e de koma asante ahemfo binum ase committee of privileges na beti no and said one na ye because committee of privileges na beti ye no we can say no na je say only no because chief commissioner no on it or presiding committee of privileges the entire beti sa committee no say abrofo ba no bede ahemfo binum ko hyehyehye ahemfo binum ase ya na amamre ne abakosem kwa so na benso nko ho
okay
te se nsu atre bede ko se brikum hina se o te ase nsu atre no ye independent nti be ka kire obi a me kana sem e wo committee na ni wo kana odi be ma na che se wa yi wa free ho so enti nkuro bia na e wo techiman na beye tetmafo asante ne kokonje committee no yibe free tetmahene nsem e de koma sa asante ahemfo dade so aba asante hema e frebe asante clan chief ntie no e ko ha tetmahene na chese otiepia na ndo mahene so tepa na eye do mahene na sase sante hene fa frakadam bi ofa kwambi so obeje afini nsem do na ninya conflict ewo so in totality no na otu nsem kwase abuabo na kukuom so ntokwa bi bai asante ni kukuom kon won say ahafo area ho babia na ye fro ho ahafo you know 97% of nkuro no adehye na abe ho no free denchira
okay
enti bebe bo be denchira man no ntokwa sim no also student ntokwa ko ta denchira team jakari no o ta say ne adehye no e migrate ba ha beba na be fokumase nti bia kanena benante form bebe du kumase ba bra na ba kosue bi na ba hwe ho be si 2 weeks na ba to aso bene nam kwaye no be pa bia to eno ne ma denchira fo no be bo be ho dompem e wo ba bia na ye frɛ na half na denchira fo no be ko ho dompem no e na sante hen ye se obeje konsase no enti kakra no aka kire be meje monton muku na ma mon famra momra bibi a form of tribute and na be kan say no kofo yi sante ne yanku nam koma bi we go one ha odinyansa kwan bi e be kase ye na nko ene dan ndokwa ena asantefo no so abaso dafo ni odi animu no ye frɛ ne asebi antwi nti ntokwa no ye frɛ ne asebi antwi wo enti kukomhene ene di safo no nyina anim won ntokwa no na bekutia asantefo amino no be defeat be ni be twa asebi antwi no niti as atachi kukomhene ye frɛ na atachi do twa ni tu no santefo so dafo no dwane ye no ni be nyina be so a atachi no soro se fineko ye hene do di anim enti 1894 and a colonial masters no Bekoho a signed treaty with Kukum on behalf of all half of one no better Kukum in it as no what I said
okay
be signed treaty with or no ever money independence as anti confidence no buy ono so ko bi no na asante ne kan se kukuo man hene ofiri denchira ebe tena ba bi otena no obese wo akupon hene ho enti na hokwo de enti kosim so o man hene no o convince no broni no je kukuo man hene no ma kukuo hene koye akwa keto akɔhye akupon hene ase enti eno so na kukuo kukuo enti sa nhaw nyina na ehye bebo na say colonialism no anti colonialism no Wasania Institute na said no but we do not there ya go bi tetwahene ne di kan start here bono champion no say e beti yeso ya bono fo yeku I have a friend bono champion na nanom bia my interview be there bi no be trase mienu especially am bi no ka say bono ye do so chena pen bi no so say ye do so echen achim pempem oti ase unuma boy friend achim no mo bi but na bia so enyo pribo bebre be do so na be do so pa enti ye te se nchim apem sana binom so mabeka
chese bono chena chese wa bakosem bebre asisi
oh yes wa bakosem bebre asisi enti tetwahene ene hyase ena ahemfo no nyina free 1951 kono ahemfo abewo efiri abase krache ntumun area ho ebesini twam ko na ahafo betwe koma colonial administration no se benko Asante Confederacy bio ba be join bono champion ku hene be join bono champion bitin hene so e join bono champion council enti ahafo no bom no ku hene ba no na bi sia be kan se headquarters no first headquarters no newo Chechimai na dodo no bom no be kan se yemfa mra center eno ne ma no ba sunyan ha be kan so ani sunyan ne be center eno omde we remove headquarters no if free Chechimai e de ba sunyan
Mr. Dwayne Twabano ewe se wo pensem mu ama obi o pa ji sunya bi ya de no wa hwemu se wo sunya ade bebre ewo a kire kwan a nyema bi fa so sisi ye na mpese asem bi sai me fa nto aso na ombo ne to fa na nhia we na chese bono champion wa kire bono champion ma but I de mpoti panti na ma ya wini ya na se fa na bono champion so be so fa nto aso baba
ne botae no a ma yeti ye ne se ye beti ye ho afra Asante ho ye nkubio
okay
so ndi I for twetwe letters na sabre no osagefo osi ade ya admombadu odikane one na odi mu tintiman if they no na ye catch the power those days
okay
wako bone doctorate no ne ade aba eti se confirm ya the deadness strategy but ono ne be ye catch ni kese ana owom enti the movement no administration no nyina ekogina ne so
okay
eti ahemfo chia eba sebesebe nkobio no ne be soma chief commissioner of Ashanti North Kumasi no otsoma Kanham one of the officers your friend PH Kanham somra no me convince Adimambadu seba also on the scholar
okay
enti so no betim convince Adimambadu dia na che so no so betim convince baba kana Adimambadu the first
okay
what I say enti be ba sunya ha ebehia abase hene nom ne ahemfo no bi nti be ko meeting that was 1951 February ne Adimambadu ka chere say no yenko emre ne iduru ba ono be kasa mai no de mate me ye resolution na matwere ikitami sem kan wi pe mo sem nam tutum gusu abia ni maji ne bru yo yat oba bi shia Kanham put for the dinachi colonial officer bia na ma police no control say one of our him for breben ko confidence no bi ye resolution grievances o kan wi ya pe no control be say Yet take a decision and be Timopo Yanko. In Tikanham, the resolution no copy, Nafakoma CC Yanko. And I can't have jail or the command Chief Commissioner of Ashanti. Not just say, Bonaham for no, but Jai Ashanti Confederation. Sabran Rosena, ye marched towards independence. In free 1951 kono yenya local government rearrangements. Na abrofo no betre yen say civilians ya ibesi ya buya man because bebe ko. Enti kane no native authority no. Be yes bebe sesana ye the local government. Be ma hem for no nko entra be for local administration no. What has enkosha hem for no kwanza bebe ma non-chiefs above. Enti native authority bia or hini bia na so ye no be introduce local council
Okay.
Enti kane no na ye local council no 1951 no ebe ye sorry kane no na ye native authority no 1951 be change no e local council. Enti se membership no 15 ahem for 5 10 aka no ba to aba.
Okay.
What you say? Then I cannot not back to about. Now by the barber him for so I then become.
Okay, I tell for say a faina over your Jumadi, so Messer say Odoko committee betting so. Now I share Ama for so as soon as yet. Now Mr. Kodajima, who is now can be Casamu. Now because a bono champion a year and what is a political movement.
Yeah.
And now one so Jumadi no. Quack of sheer Ghana found here. And Persimmon who is a bono champion no. Then CPP, Convention People's Party no. Now more track of you, CPP will track of you a bono champion one.
Oh yes.
Oh, quite much. So wait my
very good. CPP, a bum. The CPP bum, they say. What who say? Yeah, the independence. No man, you could be sorry was anti-money dear friend National Liberation Movement.
Okay.
Near Becca and say the Crown Colony of Ashanti, no, young confederation.
Okay.
Or mine, be a money mine.
Okay.
Coast to Honor, be move mine, Northern Territory, be move mine. Now the Crown Colony of Ashanti, be move mine.
Okay.
Agenda will buy.
Okay.
If you say, now we was, you will see. What I say, Sabro was a good mind, Duma. And now Sabreno so not the leading producer of cocoa. Cocoa no na your minus skasema dinaso na ye bona hafo ne Ashanti.
I see.
Nti ye tia ho a ye be di ye sa agenda no ne de buy. But the hidden agenda no say se bonfo no ye koka ho na still a ye himpon ene sante hene na say ye tia ho a what you say still a sante hene ebe ye hene.
Okay.
Nti federation no ma ye nam federation no ma na ye declare ye ho independence. Ni akoye to say something na akoye king to say Britain and now Swaziland Eswatini king no buy.
Okay.
Etina be Kwame Nkrumah tipaye say na say what dey o map the present day Ashanti region and the former Bono Ahafo region. Say o the coverage area ma what free who you free Ghana no Ghana na ka say bi. Sabre Northern Territory so na resources bi any go enti e ho be kwa akoka Burkina Faso ho anase de
Okay.
o me dey develop wo hu e metro no enti na ye Kwame Nkrumah tipaye enti Kwame Nkrumah hu se bonofo ahemfo na organize bono champion se be nko bio no na ye ne de no be share be bo say 1956 elections no se moto man CPP number power memam full region. What I say?
Okay.
And 1956 election be to ma Kwame Nkrumah CPP. Nti bona half of her in na CPP.
I see.
CPP nya more than 65% e bona half. Nti na 1957 be hand over power to him. 59 no ye instrument no the critique bona half region.
Nti bimo kasa wa kasa ti say Kwame Nkrumah empe asante for say we ye enjira so
no titire otherwise dey no Kwame Nkrumah ye di tia
so den kan sheda nye ne bone so bi o
sante hene power bono ne ahafo ahemfo nyina di wachi plus number yisafo no nyina afrim who say ya big blow pa no so na agenda ne say me pe kina ye na ye na onim say sa nne kura sa ne ma no wo ha ya me dia onam kura sa be nami owo agents bi abenam abedia portoto ahemfo bi nti bra sante ne be bo man ne bra ini nyina ye tini nyina it is a mentality no that's what we betim. Okay. I'm telling you. Enti a man powers no so tea. Otherwise, wom say University of Science and Technology. Abrofun they started here there, but Kwame Nkrumah, I think they started in 1948. What I say, Kwame Nkrumah never complete, or Komfo-Anokye Hospital, and also Kwame Nkrumah, and a big man here, Komfo-Anokye Hospital is you. These were two big, on our Ashanti region, nearby Kwame Nkrumah, probably say no one be dinner, or Ashanti region, and Yasekotwa. And so I didn't have a penance. I know quoting voting Kabisa Kwame Nkrumah Kranom Payasen. I see. Dear Kwame Nkrumah, because of my power is not so true. Or support to Bono Champion. Admambadu so support to no pa. Ntina Jemambadu the first CPP big time. First no UGCC. What I say? Ojina on the ticket of UGCC crowd. Ena ofiri UGCC no ko CPP. It no a CPP chief. Until most of the chiefs no na be CPP for. What I say?
Okay. Hase no na chese adisunya bebele odan kan ye dwumadie no ba wie na we amama hu ni se dwumadie nsem bebele ho aye se ye dwumadie we yetimi chemu mienu na da foforo ensan beto so na odoso maye sa ba na emu man se na ye be kwa we mpese achievement of Bono Champion kunindie amo achievement bi na yeden na ye fa we ni si o se na ye san mbra na itimi nyambre na doso because abakwasem ho ye pe ye mpre ho enka. Yeah, but pension, am I a team from Waba?
Yeah.
What are some of their achievements?
Premier, the first achievement, the American Assembly.
Okay.
Senka Bono Champion Ghana, ye institute to Bono Champion Day.
Okay.
Because a Bono Champion ma nka ye confederation ma santene Bono hafu ye te ye ho. Say vidia e ho so. Nka e be ma Kwame Nkrumah ni so ade hunu say organize unitary state no what I say nka ebe ya peto
okay
o me mention no nka ma so entuja Ghana manya ye wo ha sisi ya practice unitary constitution no ye Bono Champion and the man by
wow
what I say nka ye nua no ma be one of there na sabre no ne kura na yakoye ni no resources ni na those days ntinka be den elbu mai enti Bono Champion no de o ye nod na kura e se o twema Bono Champion because no ne amamo nyamutia didi
no ko nya o ye nod na ni kura
voter kura no o ye Ghana ni yes
I see
Ghana ni kura se o ni je Bono Champion what I say nko man jijai because Kwame Nkrumah wo pamburu ni na nka wo man no basabasa ya bam at the same time no one said Transwater Togoland right after the First World War no Germany for ne France for chair yinum be chair na a German colony
okay
after World War no Britain for and the French for be chair Transwater Togoland no what I say never mandate United Nations mandatory colony what I say mandated territory na honzo no ye hu se bebe kwa akoka Togo fo ho ana se bebe ba Ghana that was the ewe question na ewe fo no so binom ye se be ka se be cheman no binom baba Ghana na binom bako gan Togo be tribe no emu be cheche ma be nya influence wo politics so e wo man mienu num enti nka be mfa be nyina nko oman baako mu. Professor Amenume waye work bi unification movement. Okay. Best start movement bi say se be ka Ghana ho a UN for emfa be ka Ghana ho ewe fi onu nyina be ko your friend say Togo nso a be nyina be nko na be nyina anwafo nyina be ntena one country. So it was a problem. Nasa big problems we and the confront Kwame Nkrumah. Intika independence no se no be si agene. Eti bonofo ahemfo no kan se no yanko bio na have support ya na yete na chese federal state na Asante National Liberation Movement no be starting na wo Asante hene na himfi ho no be pe no na chese no ogu enti no de Kwame Nkrumah be support enti no no de ma Ghana nya independence unitary state way Bono Champion. Enti pono for the nka ne kwan se ye kra ye kopiri bibi na ba no de aba. But only say ye serious. Ya creative one no nsa no kra no. What I say? And then also the second achievement and also the number one ye region way. What I say Bono Ahafo region. And ye region no e be ye competition. What I say, ya tie ho fra Asante ho. O man hini bia adantna ye no. O yes we be develop the group. Because what demand what say na aman hini bi no mbe ogolo. No man fo say wa asase. What I say? Suma nom na ntu bia ye say obebo ne ho modern wo develop ne man hini atra ye no. What I say? The traditional capital no. Edi enunti ma o hwe Bono nkuro no bia afefe no hwemwanti hwesunyane febrekum doma techiman atebu nkransa wonze bia afefe obia yeso bebo ne ho modern develop nikuro wape hospital e de aba ho wape secondary school e de aba ho. So doma secondary school started in 1948 ya independence ape da Kwame Nkrumah yepushi edemano na brekum secondary school ebe boss na doma drobo yenya secondary school ho for the German. What I say? Okay. When chi nom ne tetman no etia no boa ma ye development no e course. What I say? Enti Bono Champion achievement no. Na no so yiye mfi nkwaso mu asika ni tua wa Asante region no ye jae na de ye development.
We any achievement of Bono Champion Mr. Kojo Ajiman say I was saying that WC I was say celebrate Bono Champion Day. If you say na Bono Champion so mpo na Ghana ye fa hodie inyaye we achi esure nya Bono Ahafo region na Bono Champion enso. Mr. Kojo Ajiman yedi ejuma die na eba we be de wanudi a etwato edbema atiefo na monkai na monhye no so say we nchichemu baako na nchichemu etosumi no ye besan ede abremo. Mr. Kojo Ajiman wanudi se metwato de matiefo.
Oh man di a ekwato amde matifo ne se Bono fo nyina yenkamu na yemmo modern se Bono identity no yebe poja na yeso yedi na yekwa Ghana fo nyina hu se Bono fo so ye ne yakui manu di se
da wase enkopo nshira
me som da wase pa